One forgotten plant? What if one simple plant, often overlooked and treated like nothing more than a kitchen ingredient, has been used for generations for something much more interesting? A plant connected to digestion, inflammation, circulation, and healthy aging. You may have even seen it growing without realizing what it was. Your joints. Inflammation? Now let's talk about something many people notice as they get older. Their joints. Maybe your knees feel stiff when you first get out of bed. Maybe your fingers don't move quite as easily. Or perhaps climbing a staircase takes more effort than it used to. Ginger has been studied for its potential role in inflammation and pain. That doesn't mean ginger can cure arthritis, but it does give researchers a reason to investigate this familiar food more closely. Ginger plus hot water. But ginger isn't only interesting because of inflammation. For generations, people have reached for ginger when their stomach wasn't feeling quite right. And modern research has particularly examined ginger for nausea and digestive discomfort. One of the simplest ways to use it? A warm ginger infusion. And here's how simple this can be. Take a small piece of fresh ginger, wash it, slice it thinly, place several slices into hot water well. Let it steep for several minutes. And you have a simple ginger drink. No expensive powder, no complicated recipe, just a traditional ingredient, prepared in a simple way. Healthy circulation. And then there's your circulation. Your heart pumps blood through an enormous network of blood vessels every minute of every day. As we age, protecting cardiovascular health becomes increasingly important. Ginger contains compounds being studied for their potential effects on inflammation and oxidative stress. But don't make the mistake of thinking ginger can unclog arteries or dissolve blood clots. It can't. Instead, think of ginger as one small part of a much larger healthy lifestyle. Inside ginger are naturally occurring compounds called gingerols and shogaols. These compounds are part of what gives ginger its distinctive taste and aroma. But researchers are also studying their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And this is where ginger becomes especially interesting for healthy aging. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, because we're going to keep looking at ordinary foods, traditional ingredients, and the science behind the simple habits that may help us live healthier as we grow older.